Boost your hair growth with onion and garlic. Discover the secret to accelerated hair growth with this simple recipe. Start by peeling an onion and cutting it into small pieces. Onions are powerful in treating hair loss and stimulating growth. Next, peel and chop 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a hair treasure, promoting growth, strength, and preventing loss. Combine the onion and garlic pieces in a container and add some olive oil. Simmer the mixture over low heat for 4 minutes. After cooking, strain the mixture to obtain your miracle solution. Apply generously to your scalp, massaging it well for 2 minutes. Leave it on for 2 hours before rinsing thoroughly. Use this recipe twice a week for impressive hair growth results. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and comment. Share it with your friends to help them achieve luscious locks too. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.